Hey, I'm Eli with FranFunnel. Another question we often get is, how do I schedule an appointment with my leads? Ultimately, people are using FranFunnel to set up a time to talk on the phone with their leads. Let's say that someone texts you and lets you know that they want to speak next Tuesday at 2. Awesome! Of course, you can just set a reminder for yourself to call them Tuesday at 2, but FranFunnel has an even better option. I'm going to show you exactly how to put a calendar event not only on your calendar, but on your lead's calendar also, so that neither of you miss the call. First, you click on the calendar button and put in the time you want, and you can customize to your heart's content. If you haven't connected your calendar already, just take a moment to connect it first. The step-by-step directions will be right on screen. Once you push the schedule appointment button, a few things happen. First, you'll notice that a reminder is right in your text message conversation. This will only be on your end, and ultimately, it's just a reminder. More importantly, if you check your real calendar, you'll see that the event is already there. And finally, when your lead checks their calendar, that event will automatically be there as well. When next Tuesday at 2 p.m. rolls around, you can be sure that both you and the candidate will be ready and waiting for the call.